amazing artists. Welcome to Elisium Art. This is the third video in our artist profile creation video series. In this video, we are going to cover how to upload your artwork in the artist dashboard. And please remember, you have to add at least 3 artworks to be able to submit your profile to our team. Of course, you can add as many artworks as you want. The more, the merrier. So now let's go back once again to our website. If you're not logged in, you will have to enter your email and password here. And if you're logged in, just like in my case, just click dashboard. That will redirect you to your artist dashboard. Over here, all you have to do is click on your artworks section and simply add new artwork by clicking this button. First, we will enter title of the artwork. Then we will upload the artwork image. Again, you can select by cropping the artwork as well as much as you want. And you will click crop and save. And then enter tags. These tags are very similar to tags that you add on your social media. Make sure these tags are meaningful. So for example, over here, I want to write about crimson. I want to say this is similar to the very famous painting, The Great Wave. If it's an abstract, let's say if it is abstract, you can add as many tags as you want. These tags will help essentially describe your artwork more clearly. Now we'll enter details. So choose the unit inches or centimeters. Whatever unit you choose, it will be reflected over here as well. So this artwork is, let's say, 48 inches height, 48 inches width, and only 1 inch depth. Let's select material, it is on canvas. Subject is essentially here, we want to put geometry, or you can choose whatever is relevant for you. Style is, let's say it is abstract. Medium is oil. And no, it is not any indigenous art. The primary color is red. So now we are again saving all the details. Here you need to enter details of the price of your artwork. You can put the price in multiple currencies, starting from United States dollar to Indian rupee to Colombian peso. So you have multiple currency options. So let's say I'm going ahead with US dollars. And this is very critical. Here we have to enter artist price, meaning how much money I as an artist wants to receive after we sell the artwork. So let's say I want to receive $500. So here what you see is the total price that will be visible to a user who is visiting the website, to an art collector. Please keep in mind, this price does not include shipping and taxes. Both of these details will be added when the art collector checks out your piece and enters the address information. Because depending on where the art collector is, the shipping cost and the taxes vary depending on each and every country or destination. Now you need to choose how would you ship the artwork, whether in a tube or in a crate. And again, this changes the cost of shipping when the art collector checks out your artwork. Now, this entire description again has been created with the help of our artificial intelligence AI feature. It recognizes the entire artwork and all the other details that you provided so far. And please make sure this entire description is accurate because it is generated with AI. You can choose to change this completely and have your own description. So whichever works for you, that's fantastic. Again, you can choose to regenerate. It will give you a few more options as well. And that's pretty much it. All you have to do now is click publish. and wait for a few seconds because we are again saving your data. So do not be impatient. That's it. Congratulations, your artwork has been made live, and you can go to your artworks section over here to check the details. So likewise, now you will have to add two more artworks for you to be eligible for submitting your profile. So at least three artworks, and of course, add as many as you want. So that's it, what we will cover in this video. Please add more artworks and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.